Welcome back to all of you. It's time to discuss properties of rational numbers. What are the properties of rational numbers? Rational numbers have some special property. We already learned how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide two rational numbers. Now we will learn the properties of these operations. Property number one, commutative property. If A, B, C are three rational numbers, then A plus B always equal to B plus A. It doesn't matter the order of addition. For example, 2 is a rational number, 3 is a rational number. Because 2 I can write it like 2 by 1, 3 I can write it like 3 by 1. Integer by integer is a rational number. 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. Again, 3 plus 2. I'm changing the order. I'm taking 3 first and 2 second, 3 plus 2, that is also 5. So what I'm trying to say is 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Whatever real number, whatever rational number A and B, if we took A plus B equal to B plus A, it's called a commutative property. Okay. Property number 2. What is property number 2? Property number 2 is associative property. What is associative property? If I'm considering three rational numbers A, B, and C, first adding first to A plus B plus C is same as A plus B plus C. If I'm adding three numbers, adding first two and adding the result with the third one is same as adding the sum of last two with the first one. So we can group depending upon our wish. That's what associative property of rational addition says. For example, 2 by 3 is a rational number. 13 by 3 is a rational number. 1 by 3 is a rational number. What is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3? What is it? What is it? So 2 by 3 plus 13 by 3, the answer is 15 by 3. That result I'm adding 1 by 3. The answer is 16 by 3. The answer is 16 by 3. Now whatever I'm changing, I'm grouping last two. What about 2 by 3? A plus B plus C. 2 by 3 plus 13 by 3 plus 1 by 3. What is that? That is 2 by 3 plus. What is 13 by 3 plus 1 by 3? Both have the same denominator. Answer also same denominator. 13 plus 1, 14. Now both have the same denominator again. The sum is 16 divided by 3. Log 2 by 3 plus 13 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is same as 2 by 3 plus 13 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So that's called associative property. We can group depending upon our wish. Okay. Wow. What about inverse property? Rule number 3, inverse property. Property number 3, inverse property. For any rational number A, there is a minus A. And the specialty of minus A is their sum is 0. And this minus A is called inverse of A. Remember the word inverse of A. For any number, for example, say rational number, maybe 7 by 3. There is another rational number. And what is the specialty of that rational number? That rational number and this rational number, I will get their sum, I will get 0. What is that rational number? It is minus 7 by 3. So understand 7 by 3 plus minus 7 by 3. The answer is 7 plus minus 7 by 3. 0 by 3. The answer is 0. If I take any rational number A, it has an inverse, additive inverse. It's called additive inverse or inverse. And that inverse will be minus A. What is the meaning of inverse? A number A, another number is called inverse of A. if their sum is 0. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now what about commutative property? What about commutative property? Commutative property of multiplication. We already discussed commutative property of addition, right? A plus B equal to B plus A. I can change the order of addition. The same will work in multiplication too. A into B equal to B into A. Multiplication also I can change the order. You need example, right? I will give you for sure 7 by 3 is a rational number. 3 by 5 is a rational number. What is their product? 7 by 3 into 3 by 3. The answer is 7 into 3 divided by 3 into 5. Here onwards I can cancel 3 and 3. 3 by 3 is 1. 3 by 3 is 1. The answer is 7 by 5. Now I'm changing the order. 3 by 5 first. 7 by 3 second. B into A. What is that? 3 by 5 into 7 by 3. Okay. Again 3 into 7 divided by 5 into 3. 3 and 3 I can cancel. So 7 by 5 again. What just happened? 7 by 3 into 3 by 5 is same as 3 by 5 into 7 by 3. So doesn't matter the order when it comes to multiplication. I can change the order. Understand this dot is actually mean multiplication. Dot actually mean multiplication in this situation. Okay. Now next rule, next important rule, and that rule is associative property of multiplication. We already discussed associative property of addition. What is that? Adding first two, then adding the result, adding the third one is same as adding last two, adding the first one. So grouping is okay. That same for multiplication too. Okay. I will give you example. We need example. Say a rational number, maybe 3 by 2. Another rational number, 4 by 3. Another rational number, 2 by 5. Now first I am multiplying first two, then multiplying the last one. And also I am also doing 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 into 2 by 5. Is there any difference? Are them equal? That's the question. A into B into C. Is it same as A into B into C? Okay, let's see. What is 3 by 2 into 4 by 3? So 3 and 3 get cancelled. 4 and 2 get cancelled. 4 by 2, the answer is 2. Multiplication rational. But now into 2 by 5 it is. 2 into 2 by 5. 2 is actually 2 by 1, right? Yeah, we don't have to write it, but if you feel any doubts, good to write it. 2 into 2, the answer is 4. 1 into 5, the answer is 5. 4 by 5 is the answer. What about the second one? 3 by 2 into. What is the product of these two? 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 5, 15. Does anything get cancelled? No, nothing get cancelled. The answer is 8 divided by 15. Now 3 by 2 into 8 by 15. 3 and 15 get cancelled and cancel with the 5. 8 and 2 get cancelled. 8 by 2, the answer is 4. My answer is 4 by 5. Again, both of them are same. What just happened? 3 by 2 into 4 by 3 multiplying with the 2 by 5 is same as 3 by 2 into the product of 4 by 3 and 2 by 5. Both are the same number. That's called associative property of multiplication. We are not done yet. We have one last, and that last one is multiplicative inverse property. What are additive inverse? For a number, there is another number such a way that if I add, I will get 0. That's what that was additive inverse. Now, what is multiplicative inverse? What is the meaning of multiplicative inverse? Understand? Multiplicative inverse means for any rational number other than 0, there is another rational number such a way that their product is 1. That's what multiplicative inverse is. And for multiplicative inverse of A is always 1 by A. You didn't get it, right? Of course, I will give you an example. Consider 2 by 3. It is a rational number. So what did I say? Multiplicative inverse property mean any rational number I took, there is another rational number. And speciality of this rational number is product of these two is 1. Which is that one? So that multiplicative inverse is basically 1 by a, reciprocal of this. So the second number, the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, what is the product of it? Why this is multiplicative inverse? Because 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, the answer is 2 and 2 get cancelled, 3 and 3 get cancelled, the answer is 1. Okay, a into 1 by a equal to 1, where 1 is called multiplicative identity, 1 by a is called multiplicative inverse of reciprocal of a. And understand 2 by 3, 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Now what? Now what? So once again, I'm repeating what is multiplicative inverse property. For any rational number, it has another rational number. It's called a multiplicative inverse when their product is 1. And that rational number is reciprocal of the first number. Okay. Now what about distributive property? The last and final property, distributive property. Learn it. If we are taking three rational numbers A and B and C, then A into B plus C is same as A into B plus A into C. A into B plus C and A into B plus A into C. Both of them are same. Do you need an example for that? Okay. I will give you for sure. So I'm taking any three rational number. 3 is a rational number, 1 by 2 is a rational number, 3 by 2 is a rational number. Okay. What is 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2? Is it same as 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2? Okay, let's check it. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Both have same denominator. Answer also has same denominator. 1 plus 3 it is 4. Basically, this is 3 into 4 by 2 is 2. 3 into 2, the answer is 6. What about 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2? 3 into 1 by 2. 3 is basically 3 by 1. You don't have to write it. But if you feel any confusion, I'm writing like 3 by 1. So we multiply 3 into 1, 1 into 2. 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 2, 2. Plus, what is 3 into 3 by 2? 3, I can write it like 3 by 1. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 2, 2. 9 by 2. So now 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Total 12 by 2. Again, the answer is 6. So understand 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2. Similarly, it will work for any three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers A, B and C. A into B plus C. Understand this dot mean multiplication. A into B plus C is same as A into B plus A into C. These are the properties of rational numbers. It includes multiplicative property and additive property. Well, we are wind upping this session. Thank you all.